In today's video, I'll show you how to start a newsletter on Beehiiv in just a few minutes. First, head over to the Beehiiv website. If you don't have an account yet, simply sign up or log in with Google. It's quick and hassle-free. Once you're in the dashboard, click Start Writing. This opens the editor, where you can begin creating your first newsletter. Add a catchy subtitle to hook readers, then use the command box by typing a / to insert images, videos, links, or dividers. This makes your newsletter both informative and visually engaging. When you're happy with your design, click Preview to see how it looks. Then hit Next, choose your audience list, and add a strong subject line. This is your reader's first impression. Finally, review everything, and when it's ready, click Publish to email and web. Your newsletter will instantly be sent to your audience and also live online for others to find. And that's it. You've successfully launched your first Beehiiv newsletter. Today,